What's the difference after install 30mm wheel spacer for the Maserati GT?
The Maserati GranTurismo wheel spacers will improve performance and appearance. They make the wheels feel the fender well, achieving a more aggressive and sportier stance. By moving the wheels and tires afterwards, these Maserati GranTurismo wheel spacers increase the track weight. A wider track provides your Maserati sports car with better traction, handling, and stability. As a professional wheel spacers manufacturer, BONOSS created the global patent active cooling technique. The special petal-shaped grooves utilize the rotation of the spacer to allow the external cold air to enter and continuously flow inside the spacer, enhancing the heat dissipation of the brake system. This is effective to improve the heat dissipation of the brake system, reducing brake fade while providing the functions of traditional Maserati GranTurismo wheel spacers. They are CNC machined precision at 0.02mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since spacers are components that contact with other parts, such precise BONOSS wheel spacers are perfect for your wheel upgrades.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get these BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.